the studio today. I'm gonna get my lashes and eyebrows done with my friend Amanda, we work in the same suite. So yeah, I'm gonna get that done right now. But in the meantime, Jamil is going to put up these wall shelves that I got, and I needed a space to put my gel polishes, so that's where they're gonna go. And then I'm gonna go to Ikea after this to check out like any decor, because I want to spruce up the place. It's not a lot going on right here. Yeah, so I want to decorate a little bit more, like maybe put some plants here. It would look nice, right? Some plants right here. This curtain kind of takes up a lot of, I might get rid of this curtain actually. I'm still thinking about it. For now I just have that, and we're gonna fill up this area right here. Okay, we just had lunch. We're going to Ikea. I honestly thought we weren't gonna go because I have this anxiety about leaving the dogs at home for too long. We're gonna go to Ikea and I'm gonna buy some plants for the studio. I wanna get some like pots for the plants. That's why I like Ikea, because you can buy plants and find really cute like plant holders. These are the items that I got. I purchased this basket. It's a straw basket, or like a wicker basket, and they had these mini cacti. I picked up a basket planter. That's what it is. It's a planter, not a pot. And some ivy plants. I got two, and I also got two of these planters. They have this rich texture, and it's not a black color, it's like a really dark gray. So I got two, and then some snacks, a small picture frame. I need to put something in this frame, and I didn't pick up bigger ones because I didn't really like the selection, so I only got one frame. I was gonna get like two more, and I picked up this really beautiful plant. Oh, no, this is Jamil's. Jamil picked up what is this, babe? A coffee bean plant? Mm-hmm. It's really dark green. I like the shade of green. It's so cute. It came in this mug. I like this. This is nice. So let's see how long it lasts. He's gonna take it to work. And what else? So this is all for the studio, and they're so cute, aren't they? They look healthy too, so I got lucky with this one. And lately I haven't been killing my cacti, so I feel confident. I also picked up a shelf unit. It's a very small shelf unit. It's the Ikea shelf. It's a small shelf. I'm going to replace the lockers that I have in the studio for storage. Hey guys, so I'm back at the studio and Jamil's here with me. He's helping me put the legs on the new table that I got. I am so happy to be replacing this table. I got this table when I worked from home. Let me show you guys. It's a little dirty right now because there's gel and I haven't like given it a good wipe down, but I will because I'm actually taking this home. I really like this table. It's very small. It's actually a portable table, so you can fold the legs. It's very small table. my newish studio tour, my most recent studio tour. Last year when I opened the studio, I did vlog some of it, but I was just starting out and I didn't like the way I had my layout. Like I didn't like my setup. I wasn't happy with the furniture. I wasn't happy with the decor because I was just starting out and I didn't want to spend a lot of money on decorating. So it's been like about 6 months since I've opened, and I figured like why not get a new table and like new shelves for the gel polishes. I don't have a lot of gel polish. You guys already, if you have been following me for a long time now, you might have seen that I only use like Japanese soft gels. So all my soft gels are actually in my cabinet right here. They're in here. I have supplies here. I have more gel polishes, scissors, like random stuff, but all of my nail art, all of my gels, they're all in here. They're all in here, all of them. Yeah, my stickers are down here, down there. Yeah, everything's down here. So yeah, I didn't have space for these, but I want to buy more, especially after going to Korea. I might want to buy more gel polishes because they're really cool. Like, they're not my favorite, but they make some of the best glitters, the best glitter gels. And I noticed that the best ones tend to come in a bottle, not a jar. So yeah, really cute, so happy. Very simple, nothing really fancy. I don't have a neon sign. I think I went through that phase like back in 2016, 2017. I had a neon sign for my nail studio, but I don't know, I just feel like, I mean, if you have one, that's so cool, but I'm not really into that look anymore. Like, I like more like wood tones and white, warm plants, a lot of greenery. Those are all real, by the way. This is my little checkout section. I have my POS right there, business cards. Those are all real plants, all real. The only fake plant I have is, it's not even a plant actually, it's the eucalyptus here. That's fake, but everything else is real. This little cactus is real. The ivy is real. Yeah, I really like these plants. They make the room a little more lively. I might add more, but this is all I can fit in for now. All right, so that's it for my nail studio tour. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me decorate my little tiny studio. Let me know if you liked it. If you want to see more videos, nail related videos like this, let me know in the comment section. Give it a like. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.